Since being back in Zambia, we've had the privilege of delivering 3 Honda 150 motorbikes to our Providential Chaplains in Western, Eastern, and Luapula Province.
These Provincial Chaplains serve as a level of oversight in each province of Zambia. They're there to oversee the other chaplains that are also in the regions. The motorbikes allow them to touch in with all of them, and then they can report back to us.
I just want to appreciate and thank the Providential Missions for the bike, a brand new motorcycle that have been given to me as a chaplain. I'll be using on my day-to-day work on the chaplains. But I believe that this will ease my job, even at our church and at the chaplains' programs.